You can clean this from behind with a brush. Don't use any water or anything at all. This one, these blades could be cleaned in with the glass cleaner. Once you've cleaned them properly, you can put the blades back. So make sure it doesn't go that way but this way, which is flatter. Put this on top of that. Make sure you line the bottom 2 holes. Just screw that in. Don't tighten it up. So leave it loose. Now pull this lever right to the top. Then align your blades. Make sure the top blade is behind the bottom blade. And then slowly tighten your screws up. See, it has to be straight. See, then you see this, if you can see the blade is a little twisted, so you've got to open up where the blade is twisted from, just this side, and just properly align it. If it's straight, once it's straight, we make sure this lever is up. You can see the blades are now straight in line, and then oil them from here, two drops here and 2 drops in the front. Move the lever up and down. Once it's lubricated, then plug it in and put a little more oil, and then you can use it.